Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to make the most of Zeely's features for creating optimized Instagram ads. If you're looking to leverage Instagram for advertising, Zeely offers powerful tools that can help you create high-converting ads with ease. First, select the Instagram ad template in Zeely. The platform offers templates for photo ads, carousel ads, and video ads, all automatically adjusted to Instagram's ad guidelines. This means you don't have to worry about resizing images or design details, as Zeely handles it for you. Once you've selected your template, Zeely's AI-driven system will assist in crafting the copy, picking visuals, and suggesting colors that align with Instagram's aesthetic. Instagram is a visually driven platform, so ensuring your ad looks appealing is crucial. Zeely helps you choose colors, fonts, and layout styles that fit the platform's trends. Next, Zeely's segmentation tools allow you to define your audience, whether you're targeting by location, interests, or demographics. Zeely ensures your ads reach the most relevant users, increasing your chances of engagement and conversions. After personalizing your ad, Zeely offers a preview option, so you can see how your ad will appear on Instagram before it goes live. Adjust elements like the position of the image, the text overlay, and the call to action button to make sure everything is perfectly aligned. Zeely also automatically resizes your content for Instagram stories, ensuring it fits perfectly in the vertical layout for mobile devices. The same applies to carousel ads, where Zeely arranges your images or videos in an optimized way. Once you're happy with the design, Zeely supports A or B testing for Instagram ads. You can run multiple versions of your ad and test different headlines, images, or CTA buttons to see which one performs better, refining your strategy. Finally, Zeely integrates with Facebook Ads Manager, so once your Instagram ad is ready, you can easily launch it directly from the platform. This streamlines the process and saves you time. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.